स्वागत करते हैं जी एक बार फिर आप सब ਦਾ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਥ ਦੇਣਗੇ ਦਰਸ਼ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਮੈਨੇਜਮੈਂਟ ਕੰਸਲਟੈਂਟ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਅੱਜ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਨਗੇ ਕਿ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਸੋਲਵਿੰਗ ਸਕਿੱਲਸ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਡਿਵੈਲਪ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਜੋ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਕਾਮਯਾਬ ਹੋ ਸਕੇ। ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮਸ ਤਾਂ ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਚੈਲੰਜਸ ਤਾਂ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਹੀ ਨੇ, ਪਰ ਕਿਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਰਮਾਊਂਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਇਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਲੈਣੇ ਆ ਦਰਸ਼ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਤੋਂ। ਵੈਲਕਮ ਟੂ ਦ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ। Thank you. So today let's talk about Darsh, about developing problem solving skills by which definitely there are going to be challenges and problems in the business. So how to overcome them and what kind of skills can be acquired?
Well, it's a very important segment of your business, and it should be treated that way, and you should actually look to develop problem solving skills and problem solving techniques and processes within your business as its own entity.
Okay.
For example, I had a client who was having a lot of issues amongst their employees, but they had no process by which the employees could come to them, no process by which they were even thinking, how should I solve these problems?
Right.
They didn't want to lose their employees. They wanted them to get along, but it was creating a very difficult working environment.
Right.
So what I said to them is, I said, well, you need to break this down into steps. If you have a process, it makes it a lot easier, and also it creates a very calm environment.
Right.
So you want to define the problems.
Okay.
And documenting things is very important, because what it does, it starts creating accountability.
Right.
It creates accountability, not just for yourself and for your business, it protects you, but it also makes sure that everyone who's coming to the table with their problems, they're going to think really carefully if they know we're going to document this, it goes in a file, it goes wherever it goes, but we are recording this to make sure that everyone is treated fairly.
Right.
So you want to define the issue. You want to look at possible outcomes. You want to look at things, for example, you want to gather the facts.
Right.
What are the facts? They're different than what your opinion is. So we actually went through this process. There were two employees, and they had to work side by side, and it was butting heads. It was not good. By the time we were done, there was a solution. You know, you can say, well, this, you know, it was basically a matter of respecting each other's space and those types of issues.
Right.
But we found a solution by working through it step by step. Everyone knew what their boundaries were.
Right.
Everyone had the opportunity to express what their issues were, and they felt like they were being heard.
Right.
You can't expect everyone to get along. However, as a business owner or a manager or a leader, you must impose that level of professionalism.
Right.
That's also an obligation of the employee when they come to work. You have to maintain that.
That's very important what you said, that accountability, because many times if that accountability process is not there, then the question on fairness is raised, that the management is taking sides with someone. But if there is a process, then everything is in black and white, and everything can be documented also.
Absolutely, and there are very clear guidelines. You can develop your own guidelines. You can go online and look at other sort of mediation guidelines. I don't think that they need to be so stringent when it comes to just, you know, inter-office issues or issues of that nature.
Right.
But as a leader, as a manager, you need to know what those processes are, and you need to know that it is very important when you're making these types of decisions to solve problems.
Right.
And that the example I gave was an employee example. If you're doing something that is a business issue, and you're going, okay, we have this problem, whether it's a production problem, a marketing problem, something, you have to impose a cost-benefit analysis.
Right.
And if you're coming up with different solutions, the process is the same. You're defining the problem, you're gathering you're doing all of these great things.
Right.
But when it comes to it actually having to now spend the money, you have to look at the problem and say, is it better to eliminate this?
Right.
Or do we need to actually put this solution in place, but it's going to cost us this much money? Are we going to get the return
Right.
that we're putting in to solve this problem, or do we need to look at a whole different solution? So there are different ways, there are different problems, but as a whole, problem solving is critical on all levels, especially upper management.
Right. Now, as far as the employees are concerned, you're given a good example, but as far as the management is concerned, and even let's take partners if there are there, and if some problems arise, how to sort them out? Because then again, what happens is many times it's more on trust basis when you start something, and especially in our communities we find we are friends, let's start something, everything is fine, but even a small issue can become a big issue, and we have seen the demise of many big businesses on this particular account. So what should be kept in mind during this kind of affair?
From what I've seen, and you know, that's a really good question, and it does happen all the time. and it's just there's different ways of looking at it. We've talked about mindset.
Right.
What was your mindset when you went into the business? What was your goal? If you went in with a partner, did you document everything? Did you have a business plan? Were your goals defined? Are you both looking in the same direction? Because if you're not, you're basically setting yourself up for a dispute.
Right.
The other way to do it, you know, like I'm saying, you document everything. You document your agreements. You follow your agreements. But unfortunately, what happens is it comes down to human nature.
Right.
And if somebody wants to fight, they can fight.
They can
And there are
make
processes in place. Doesn't matter what you've documented.
Right.
We all know this.
That's right.
Doesn't matter what's on the paper. It doesn't matter what you've signed. The fights will still happen.
Right.
So that is a part of that. That is the cost of doing business sometimes, especially when you're in the entrepreneurial arena and you are working with a partner. But if you're lucky enough to have a partner that wants to make money, that wants to move forward, that's not looking for creative control or all the credit, and you really want to build a healthy business with longevity, then you should also look at that and say, you know, there are the possibilities for disputes and issues. How are we going to solve those? Agree in the beginning, when we have an issue, this is the process by which we're going to solve them.
Right.
What happens though is when you're that utmost level of your business, if you're the top, you know, echelon of your business, who are you accountable for?
Right.
In large companies, there's boards.
Right.
And the board of directors and so on and so on. They're supposed to make sure everyone's in line. We all know that doesn't happen all the time. It happens a lot, but it doesn't happen all the time. We've all seen the fallout from that. But that is where your mindset and I believe, my personal opinion again, is where your integrity shows or doesn't show.
That's right. Absolutely.
And that is just a decision you choose, you make, and a decision you have to live with. Some people are okay with it, some people are not.
Right.
So you have to make a choice. Is this the type of business that I want to run?
Right, and business is such a vast affair that here is a point that if the help of professionals is taken, then definitely it can be a smooth run instead of having those bumps along the way.
Yeah.
Definitely that helps the businessman to grow and prosper. Thank you very much for
Thank
this
you so
perspective.
much.
ਸੋ ਅੱਜ ਜੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਦਰਸ਼ਕ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਨੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਿ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਸੋਲਵਿੰਗ ਸਕਿੱਲਸ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਡਿਵੈਲਪ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਜਾ ਸਕਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਇੱਕ ਪ੍ਰੋਸੈਸ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਗੱਲ ਕਹੀ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਵੱਧ ਲੋਕ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਦੋ ਲੋਕ ਵੀ ਹੋਣ ਟਕਰਾਰ ਤਾਂ ਹੋ ਹੀ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਉਸ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਟਕਰਾਰ ਦੀ ਨੌਬਤ ਆਏ ਤੇ ਜੇਕਰ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਕੋਈ ਪ੍ਰੋਸੈਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਜੇਕਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਡਾਕੂਮੈਂਟ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਕੋਈ ਅਕਾਊਂਟੇਬਿਲਿਟੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਸਮੱਸਿਆ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਧ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਪਰ ਜੇਕਰ ਇਹ ਸਾਰੀ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਫੋਲੋ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਉਸ ਨਾਲ ਬੜੀ ਈਜ਼ੀਲੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸੋਲਵ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਜੇਕਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਇਹ EMPLOYEES ਨਾਲ ਜੇਕਰ ਕੋਈ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਪੈਂਦੀ ਇੱਕ ਪ੍ਰੋਸੈਸ ਹੋਵੇ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਇਸੇ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪਾਰਟਨਰਸ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿਚਕਾਰ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਐਸਾ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਜਿਸ ਨਾਲ ਕਿ ਜੇਕਰ ਕੋਈ ਇਸ਼ੂ ਕੋਈ ਚੈਲੰਜ ਆਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਬੈਠ ਕੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇੱਕ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਹੋਵੇ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਦਾ ਫਾਇਦਾ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਸੋਲਵ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ